Ayurvedic hair care is an ancient practice. It hails from India and is over 5,000 years old. This practice focuses on natural remedies. It uses herbs, oils, and other plant-based ingredients. Ayurveda aims to balance the body, mind, and spirit. It believes in holistic healing. The principles of Ayurveda are deeply rooted in nature. It offers personalized care based on individual body types or doshas. In hair care, Ayurveda emphasizes nourishment and health. It goes beyond mere aesthetics. The goal is to promote hair growth, strength, and shine. Ayurvedic hair care incorporates practices that nurture the scalp and hair. Ayurveda's popularity has grown globally. People are seeking natural alternatives. The wisdom of Ayurveda offers time-tested solutions. It's effective for various hair types, especially natural hair. Natural hair refers to hair that has not been chemically altered in any way. This means no relaxers, perms, or texturizers are used on the hair. It retains its original texture and curl pattern, which can vary greatly. Natural hair comes in various types, from wavy to coily, each with its own unique beauty. The structure of natural hair is unique and fascinating. It has a curly or coiled shape, which gives it a distinct appearance. This makes it prone to dryness and frizz if not properly moisturized. The natural oils from the scalp have a harder time traveling down the hair shaft, especially in curly hair. This can lead to brittle hair if not properly cared for. Natural hair is incredibly versatile. It can be styled in many ways, offering endless possibilities. Braids, twists, and afros are popular styles that showcase the beauty of natural hair. However, it requires regular maintenance to keep it healthy and looking its best. Moisture and nourishment are crucial for its health and vitality. Ayurvedic hair care suits natural hair well, providing essential nutrients. It addresses the specific needs of curly and coily hair, ensuring they remain hydrated. The practices focus on hydration and strengthening, which are key for healthy hair. This makes natural hair more manageable and healthy, allowing it to shine in its natural glory. Ayurvedic hair care offers numerous benefits. It promotes healthy hair growth. The natural ingredients nourish the scalp and hair follicles. This encourages stronger and longer hair. It enhances hair strength. Ayurvedic herbs contain nutrients that fortify the hair shaft. This reduces breakage and split ends. Stronger hair is less prone to damage and looks fuller. Ayurveda helps maintain moisture balance. Natural oils and herbs provide deep hydration. This is essential for natural hair, which tends to be dry. Proper moisture balance prevents brittleness and frizz. Ayurvedic hair care also improves scalp health. Healthy scalp means fewer issues like dandruff and itching. A well-nourished scalp supports healthy hair growth. Overall, Ayurveda promotes all-around hair wellness. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for healthy hair. It strengthens hair follicles, prevents hair loss, and adds a natural shine to your hair. Amla also conditions the scalp, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth and reducing dandruff. Breakage, known as the king of herbs, rejuvenates hair and revitalizes the scalp. It prevents premature graying, promotes hair growth, and enhances the natural color of your hair. Breakage also strengthens the hair roots, adds luster, and makes hair more resilient. Shikakai is a natural cleanser that has been used for centuries. It gently cleans the scalp without stripping natural oils, maintaining the hair's natural moisture balance. Shikakai also detangles hair, adds shine, and makes hair more manageable. Brahmi is particularly beneficial for natural hair. It calms the scalp and reduces stress. It reduces dryness, itchiness, and flakiness, providing relief from scalp irritation. Brahmi also nourishes the hair roots, making hair thicker, stronger, and more voluminous. It has a cooling effect, promotes relaxation, and enhances overall hair health. Hibiscus is rich in vitamins and amino acids, which are essential for hair health. It stimulates hair growth, prevents hair fall, and strengthens hair strands. Hibiscus also conditions the hair, making it soft, manageable, and adding a natural shine. Section 5. Ayurvedic hair care practices. Oiling. Oiling is a fundamental Ayurvedic hair care practice. It involves massaging the scalp with natural oils. Regular oiling nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair roots. Coconut oil is a popular choice. It penetrates the hair shaft and provides deep conditioning. Coconut oil also reduces protein loss in hair, making it stronger. Sesame oil is another excellent option. It's rich in nutrients and has antioxidant properties. Sesame oil also helps in maintaining scalp health and preventing dandruff. Oiling should be done at least once a week. Warm the oil slightly before applying. Massage it into the scalp and hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight for best results. Section 6. Ayurvedic Hair Care Practices. Herbal Hair Masks. Herbal hair masks are deeply nourishing. They strengthen the hair and enhance its texture. These masks are made from natural ingredients like herbs, oils, and yogurt. A popular mask includes amla, shikakai, and hibiscus powder. Mix these with yogurt to form a paste. Apply the mask to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing. Another effective mask uses brahmi and bringraj powders. Mix with a little water to make a paste. This mask helps reduce hair fall and promotes hair growth. Herbal hair masks should be applied once a week. They provide essential nutrients and deep conditioning. Regular use can transform the health and appearance of natural hair. Section 7. Ayurvedic Hair Care Practices. Herbal Rinses. Herbal rinses are a gentle way to cleanse the hair. They use natural ingredients like herbs and flowers. These rinses add shine and improve hair texture. A common herbal rinse is made with hibiscus flowers. Boil the flowers in water to create an infusion. Once cooled, use this as a final rinse after shampooing. Another effective rinse uses shikakai. Boil shikakai pods in water and strain the liquid. This rinse gently cleanses the scalp and hair without stripping natural oils. Herbal rinses can be used after every wash. They help maintain moisture balance and add natural shine. These rinses also soothe the scalp and reduce irritation. Section 8. Ayurvedic Hair Care Practices. Scalp Massage. Scalp massage is an essential Ayurvedic practice. It stimulates blood circulation and promotes hair growth. Regular massage also relaxes the scalp and reduces stress. Use your fingertips to massage the scalp gently. Start from the front and work your way to the back. Apply light to medium pressure in circular motions. Incorporate oils like coconut or sesame for added benefits. Warm the oil slightly before use. The warmth helps in better absorption and relaxation. Scalp massage should be done at least twice a week. It enhances the health of the scalp and hair. Consistent practice leads to stronger, thicker, and healthier hair. Section 9. Dietary Considerations for Hair Health. Diet plays a crucial role in hair health. Ayurveda emphasizes a balanced diet for healthy hair. Include fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals are essential. Vitamin A, C, and E promote hair growth. Iron and zinc strengthen hair follicles. Omega-3 fatty acids improve hair elasticity and shine. Hydration is also important. Drink plenty of water to keep the hair and scalp hydrated. Dehydration can lead to dry and brittle hair. Limit the intake of processed foods and sugary snacks. They can negatively impact hair health. Instead, opt for natural, nutrient-rich foods. A balanced diet supports overall hair wellness. Section 10. Summary of benefits and encouragement for patience and consistency. Ayurvedic hair care offers numerous benefits for those who embrace it. It promotes healthy hair growth and strength, ensuring your hair remains vibrant. The natural ingredients nourish the scalp and hair follicles, providing essential nutrients. This results in stronger, shinier, and more manageable hair that is easier to style. The key Ayurvedic herbs provide essential nutrients that are vital for hair health. They address specific hair concerns like dryness, dandruff, and hair fall, making your hair healthier. Regular use of these herbs transforms the health of natural hair, leading to noticeable improvements. Ayurvedic practices like oiling, herbal masks, rinses, and scalp massage are highly effective. They enhance hair health and improve texture, making your hair feel soft and luxurious. Consistency in these practices yields the best results, so make them a part of your routine. Be patient with Ayurvedic hair care, as it requires time and dedication. Natural remedies take time to show results, but the wait is worth it. However, the benefits are long-lasting and deeply rewarding. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of nurturing your hair naturally, celebrating each step. Section 11. Disclaimer and importance of consulting healthcare professionals. This essay provides educational information about Ayurvedic hair care. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Individual results may vary based on hair type and health conditions. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any new hair care regimen. This is especially important if you have underlying health issues. A professional can provide personalized recommendations. Ayurveda is a holistic approach. It considers the individual's overall health and well-being. Professional guidance ensures that you adopt practices that are safe and effective for you. Always prioritize your health and safety. Use this information as a guide to explore Ayurvedic hair care. Consult with professionals to tailor the practices to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural hair care. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.